Welcome, welcome. Now, have you ever gone to your favorite restaurant? They used to serve something on the menu that you really loved and all of a sudden it's gone? Well, for me, that was the Firecracker Salmon Roll at Cheesecake Factory. It's been gone for a while now. And so I love this dish, this little appetizer. So I've had to learn to recreate it myself. And so I'm going to teach you how to do it. Now, of course, some of the elements are just my own twist as far as the seasoning here that I have on it. I added like an extra ginger in it, that I, diced up besides the paste so I can have some of that Asian type of flair in it. Here are a list of ingredients for our firecracker salmon egg roll: Himalayan salt, black pepper, green onions, also known as scallions, spinach, rice vinegar, raw honey, ginger paste, garlic paste, sesame oil, soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, sweet Thai chili sauce, salmon, egg roll wrappers, broccoli slaw, shredded carrots, lime juice, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salmon seasoning, and Creole seasoning. Our salmon firecracker roll has lime, vitamin C, antioxidants, salmon, B6, B12, D, omega-3 fatty acids, and potassium. Spinach, C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Egg rolls, B1, B2, folic acid, a small amount of calcium and iron. Fresh ginger, which is on the salmon. B3, B6, C, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Scallions, A, C, K, iron, magnesium, potassium, also known as green onions. Salmon seasoning, A, C, calcium and iron. Cayenne pepper, B6, K, magnesium, potassium. Garlic powder, B6, C, calcium, iron, magnesium. Onion powder, B, C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. Eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. And sweet chili pepper sauce, C, antioxidants. What we're going to do first is our broccoli slaw. So let's actually get our liquids in here first. Half a cup of soy sauce. Okay. We're going to do a quarter cup of sesame oil. Now, honey, I'm not sure if you're familiar with sesame oil, but you got to be real careful with sesame oil, honey. So, I'm not even going to go a quarter cup. I am going to go a couple of, I will do a quarter cup. Now, sesame oil, that smell and that taste will take you real far. So here we go. And we have some rice vinegar, and we're going to do a quarter cup of that. Okay. And we're going to do about 4 tablespoons of the Thai sweet chili. Okay. All right. Woo. If we had smell-o-vision, honey, you would be smelling that sesame oil. Here's some raw honey that I have. Okay. Okay. So I figure let's get our coleslaw out the way first, and then we can worry about making our egg roll. Okay. I'm gonna whisk all these ingredients here. You can add some red pepper flakes to this if you like. A little Himalayan salt. Well, I use Himalayan salt. You can be kosher salt for you. And some black pepper. And I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to add just a tad bit. Okay. A little bit of my black pepper. Just kind of break down my honey here. Try to twist pretty well here. Now, try to taste it. Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some of my slaw here. Oops, ooh, that's a lot of slaw. Get a little more of my veggies. There we go. Just kind of like toss it around. Toss it around. Make sure it's fully coated. I just have one egg here with a little bit of water in it for my egg wash. And I'm going to just use my fingers, and that's fine. I need to have my gloves on. And I'm just making it all through the four corners here. Now, it's rolled a little differently than how we would normally roll a traditional egg roll. Okay, get some spinach here. Here, 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 here. Spinach. Take a piece of salmon. And we're gonna tuck it in just slightly bit and get a good grip on it. Get a nice hold on it. And just roll it like you roll a carpet, or you roll a Tootsie Roll wrapper at the end. Just regular roll. Just try to close your ends, and then we're gonna try to tie it again. It's supposed to be like a, I guess like a little present. So I got one that's done, tied. I think I'm gonna be able to do the second one. Yep, able to do the second one. Let's see about this. I'm not sure this is enough space. Just leave this one just like that, because I have a nice solid grip on it. So my oil's getting hot. Okay, and oh, I just noticed that I have 3 pieces of fish and 2 pieces of wonton. Oh well. Okay. Okay. And we got our piece of fish. Here we go. And again, get a tight grip on it. And tuck it. That's what I've been doing. Kind of tuck it to make sure that it has a closure. Alright, tight grip, and tight grip. And it's closed and sealed at the end. And let's see if we can get this tie on it. My oil's getting nice and hot. Putting it in here. Ready to fry up. Well, look at our firecracker salmon roll. So this is our remake of the Cheesecake Factory firecracker salmon roll. So the sauces are a sriracha mayo with a little Thai chili, sweet chili. And the other one is just some Thai sweet chili sauce. And we had the coleslaw that we had made earlier. The firecracker salmon rolls just sitting on the bed of the coleslaw. Well, look at our firecracker salmon rolls. Okay, so got my 2 sauces here. Got to start with my coleslaw. Got to get your veggies in first, right? That is nice. Oh yeah. I decided to use the coleslaw here as the bed for the salmon rolls. But that's super good. Okay. So let's dip it in our sweet Thai chili sauce. I'm loving the taste of the ginger in here that I had added. I did some fresh ginger that I minced up. So good. This is some sriracha mayo with some sweet Thai in it. Whoa. Wow. Ooh, you got a little bit of that kick. That sriracha. I'm loving every bite of this. Get a little cool down on my coleslaw from that kick of the sriracha. This is so good. It wasn't hard to make. The only thing that was temperamental was dealing with these blanched green onion slice strings, or scallion strings if you want to call them. But you know what? If it gives you a problem, just roll them like you roll a traditional egg roll. Okay. This is your party, honey. Here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, it lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. Come back and hang out with me again. Love you guys.